In this video, I will discuss about global variables in the Python. Let's see what are global variables. Global variables are nothing but variables that are declared outside of all the functions and that can be accessed anywhere in the program. The syntax is very simple. Here you can create a variable and this variable can be accessed inside the function and outside the function also. If you look at the below example, firstly, we are creating a integer variable x and that is being accessed in the inside the show function here, and also after the show function we are able to access the x variable. Global variables are accessible inside the function and as well as outside the function. Now let's see the examples for the global variables in the Python. Here I will create a new Python file as global variables.py. And I'm creating an integer variable called number1 and then I'm assigning the value as 10. And here I'm creating a one function called show, and inside the show function I will just access the number1 and I will add the some value to the number1. Here I will say print I will get the value of number1, then I will add the some value to the 10, let's say 10 here. So this will add the number1 plus 10, so output will be 20. This is how you can access the number1 global variable inside the function, and also you can access the global variables outside the function also. Here I will say number1 plus 20. So this will print me the output as 30 because number1 is 10 plus 20, it is 30. So let's call the show function here. The output should be line number 4 will print the output as 20 when we call the show method, and line number 7 will print the output as 30. Let's quickly run the program. And if you see the output here, firstly we are printing the 20, so that is coming from the line number 4, and then it is printing 30 which is coming from the line number 7. This is how you can use the global variables in the Python. Similarly, you can try creating the string variables, boolean variables or any objects also.